Today, we want to learn how to divide a given line. How can we divide a given line into number of parts? The question we want to put into consideration today is: draw line AB equals 100 millimeter and divide it into 7 equal parts. Draw line AB equals 100 millimeter and divide it into 7 equal parts. How can we go about this? The first thing you do is draw your line, horizontal line, at any length. Now you can now indicate 100 millimeters starting from a point A, because the question says line AB. So this is point A. I want to start from the intersection here, and I will measure 100 millimeter, which is also equals to 10 centimeter. Then I'll place my ruler. As you know that each of the division here represents 10 millimeter, which is also equals to 1 centimeter. So from 0, the long line that touches 0 here, I will now look for 10. That is 100 millimeter, which is also equals to 10 centimeter. So if I want to count it in 10 centimeter, say 10 millimeter, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So at 10 centimeter, I place the second sign, which is B. I write B. So I have my line AB to be equals to 100 millimeter. I've measured the given line like that. I've drawn a line AB which is 100 millimeter. Then how can I divide this line to 7 equal parts? Is that from point A or from point B? But so far, I want to use point A. I will just draw a line from point A down. Any line. That one I don't need to measure it. Just draw your line from A down. Then I need to take 7 divisions on this line that I draw down, not the one I measure, not the given line. The best millimeter I should use to divide it is 5 millimeter. There is no problem if you even use 10 millimeter, because you can the thing you need to do is just take even division here. Even division. Your division should be equal. It should be even. So I want to pick 5 millimeter from my ruler. So I pick 5 millimeter like this. You can see from this longer line to the longer line. From this longer line to the long line here, that's 5 millimeter. Now I've set my compass to that. Then I place my compass, the edge of the compass, that sharp end, on point A. Then I begin to cut the line that I draw under 5 millimeter. So you can see how I handle my own compass. You can see how I handle my compass. So I'm placing that compass back on the intersection of the arc to draw the division of the divisions. So I need 7 equal divisions, but I have been able to draw 1, 2, 3, 4. So I complete it to be 7. It's going to be 7. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7. So I've divided the line I just draw into 7 equal parts. So I count again: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can indicate it with my own figure so that it won't disturb me. This is the 0 starting here. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. And this is 7. If the division you are asked to divide is not up to 7, you just have to put this one according to the number given. The number given here is 7 equal parts. That's why I've divided this line into 7 equal parts. If it is more than that, you make sure it is more than that. The next thing is, what do I do? The last division here, the intersection of my arc here on the last division and the intersection of the last point where the given line stops, where my 100mm stops, I will join it with my ruler. I join it with my ruler. Good. I've joined the last division with my ruler. I have not divided the line given. How do I divide it? I take my set square. You know, I said earlier that using the set square, you need to set it. So I will now set this my set square on the line, the last line I drew, joining 7, the last division, and the B, the last point of 100mm. Then I'll place my ruler under the set square. As I place my ruler under the set square, I will hold this ruler firm that it will not move. Only my set square should be able to slide, to move on the ruler. Only my set square will move on the ruler. Then with that, I can now take the division. I've set the set square on this line. That's the first thing. Let me do that again. Set the set square on the ruler, on the line. Make sure the set square is on that line. Hold it. Place your ruler under your set square. Hold your ruler firm. Don't allow your ruler to move at all. Then you begin to move your set square. Move it to 6. The next division. Then you draw your line up. Draw your line up. Move it to the next one. Draw your line up. Move it to the next one. Draw your line up. Don't forget your pencil needs to be well sharpened so that your drawings will be neat and good. So you move it up. You move it up. Good. With this, I have answered the question that says, draw line AB equals 100mm and divide it into 7 equal parts. So I have drawn line AB 100mm to 7 equal parts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, press the like button, and share with your friends. Don't hold wisdom to yourself. Share with others. Thank you.